Festival is more than a colorful celebration of culture, harvest, and gratitude. It reflects the strength and resilience of the people of Davao City, especially the face of economic and political struggles. Karong panahon na, daghan ang naglisod tungod sa mahal sa mga panaliton, kulang sa trabaho, o lain-lain na opinyon sa politika. Apan, ang kadayawan, nagtudlo man nato nga mas importante pagtinabangan, pagrespeto sa usa't-usa, o pagpasalamat sa mga grasya nga atong nadawat gikan sa Ginoo. The festival also supports the local economy by promoting tourism. Kaganina, pagsunod nako, daghan ang mga nagsulti na dili sila taga Davao. Dunay gikan og Zamboanga, dunay gikan og Jose Abad Santos, ug lain-lain pang lugar sa atoang mga silingan dinhi sa Mindanao. Mahal ko kayo. Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong padayon nga pagsalig og suporta kanako. Ako kayong mabutak. The festival also supports the local economy by promoting tourism, agriculture, and small businesses, providing opportunities for family to earn a living during the celebration. Beyond the festivities, Kadayawan reminds us that true prosperity comes from preserving our culture, supporting one another, striving for a society that is fair, peaceful, and inclusive. Mga Davaoeños, let us all stand tall and proud. We have endured poverty. Naramdaman mo din sa tingin na wala man mo dito sa tumbangan. Banin mo dito niya. Davaoeños, let us stand tall and proud. We have endured poverty, terrorism, insurgency, and even a global pandemic. Through every challenge, we have remained united and hopeful. We are one. These struggles did not define us. They made us stronger. We will continue to rise, support one another, and move forward with courage, wisdom, and faith. We will remain unbound. This is the true spirit of Davao, and this is the true meaning of Kadayawan. Mga kababayan, mahalin natin ang Davao, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.
Maraming salamat, Madam Vice President. Indeed, we are here for our country and for the Filipino people. And Madam Vice President, we request your presence downstairs near the gong as we officially open the Kadayawan 2026 celebration, may we also respectfully invite the 11 deputy mayors to unveil our banig sa Kagigan.
Our Banig sa Kagigan represents our rich history, our vibrant city, and the deep roots of our people. We may come from different backgrounds and traditions, but what unites us is greater than our differences.
Into this banig, every strand is woven together to make us whole, to make us one.
That is right, Hannah. Dabaweños, are you ready? Yes, they are. Madam Vice President, please do the honors in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We declare the 2026 Kabayawan Festival open! We are one! Kabayawan!
Happy Kabayawan Festival!
May he request the Vice President Sarah Pepe to please remain on stage for our photo walk. Together with the City Vice Mayor Rigo Pepe, alongside Attorney Mark Francis Layo, City Administrator.